Good morning this Tuesday, the 18th of February. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell-Direct. Wall Street was closed on Monday for the President's Day holiday, but over in Europe on Monday, markets closed higher as several defence stocks soared amid renewed spend in the defence space in the region. The STOXX 600 rose 0.54% to a fresh record high, while Germany's DAX added 1.26%. The French CAC climbed 0.13%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.41%. Across the Asia region on Monday, markets closed mostly higher as investors digested Japan's latest GDP reading, which came in at a Q4 expansion of 2.8%, exceeding market expectations of 1% growth. Japan's Nikkei added 0.06% on Monday. Hong Kong's Seng fell 0.02%. China's CSI index rose 0.21%, and South Korea's Kospi index ended the day up 0.75%. The local market, on the other hand, was sold off yesterday, ending the day down 0.2% as the bang swayed on market gains after Westpac posted a 9% drop in net profit for Q1, while investors remain cautious ahead of the RBA's first meeting for 2025 starting today. The market is factoring in a 90% chance of a rate cut today. However, economic data shows inflation and key drivers of inflation remain sticky, so the announcement out of the RBA will be highly anticipated this afternoon, in addition to the outlook for the rate journey. Gold miners saw significant sell-offs yesterday after the precious metal experienced its largest single-day drop on Friday. Northern Star Resources dropped 3.5% yesterday, Bellevue Gold lost 3.16%, and Evolution Mining ended the day down 2.05%. On the other hand, payment provider Findy saw a strong rally, up 7.3% yesterday. This surge came after the company narrowed its earnings forecast for FY25, now expecting earnings before tax to fall between 30 million to 32 million, compared to the earlier range of 30 million to 35 million. Better than expected earnings boosted A2 Milk yesterday, shares rising by 19.7%, with the company reporting a 10.1% rise in revenue, NPAT up 7.6% to 91.7 million New Zealand dollars, and A2 Milk also declared an inaugural dividend of 8.5 New Zealand cents per share. A sharp rise in US steel prices since President Trump commenced his term in office boosted BlueScope Steel's outlook in results out yesterday. Shares in Australia's largest steelmaker rose almost 13% on Monday, and that's despite the company reporting a 57% slide in underlying EBIT, and NPAT down 59%. Ahead of Tuesday's trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are expecting the ASX will open the day up 0.25%. And on the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.91% higher at $71.38 a barrel. Gold is up 0.78% at $2,903 an ounce, and iron ore is up 0.06% at $106.83 a tonne. The Australian dollar has further strengthened overnight to buy 63.58 US cents, 96.3 Japanese yen, 50.52 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 11 cents. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased the 12-month price target on Chalice Mining from $5.15 to $5.75 and maintain a speculative buy rating on the platinum, nickel, copper and cobalt miner following metallurgical test work breakthrough at the company's 100% owned Gonaville project, demonstrating two saleable smelter-grade flotation concentrated that can be produced across the entire Gonaville sulfide resource. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Dalrymple Bay infrastructure following the formation of a pattern over a period of 25 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $3.65 to the range of $3.96 to $4.04, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for this morning. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.